Sakshi, touch your head. Show me your nose. Nose. Open your mouth. Very good. Touch your stomach. Very good. Okay, come. Shruti, show me your tongue. Ears. Shoulders. Feet. Very good. Chaitra, head, nose, eyes, ears. Very good. Open your mouth. Very good. Okay. Vaishnavi, neck, chest, stomach, fingers. Very good. Tanusri, face, eyebrows, hair, stomach, toes. Very good. Yogeshwari, teeth, ears, cheeks, chin, eyes. Very good. Harshita, head, nose, shoulders, stomach, knees. Very good.